Hello, guys. This is Miss Ana Luisa Bermea, and we're in fifth grade. Today, we will work on language. So go and get your notebook and your workbook, please. Articles and demonstratives. A, N, and D are articles, a special kind of adjectives. Remember, we said see that last class on Zoom. A and N refers to any person, place, or thing. D refers to a particular one. Let's take a trip. Any trip. It's time for the trip. Particular. Now we know about which trip we're talking about. Use A before singular words that begin with a consonant sound. Use N before singular words that begin with a vowel sound. A jet, a high step, an engine, an hour. This, that, these, and those are demonstrative adjectives. A demonstrative adjective tells which one. These and these refer to nouns close to the speaker or writer. Than and those refer to nouns far away. This trip will be long. Please pass me that book far away. Use these and that before singular words. Use these or those for plural words. This seat, one seat. Those pens, many pens. Let's go with activity. Which word correctly complete each sentence? I am flying in blank huge airplane. Will you say a huge airplane or an huge airplane? A huge. I don't want a an aisle seat. Remember, the word in parentheses should agree with the word after the parentheses. Aisles and aisles. Those that tall man should fasten his seat belt. Tall man, singular. Which one is for singular? We are flying over the state of New York. Particular, or any or particular. Those clouds are far away. Is it singular or plural? Okay, that's on your notebook. Write the word in parentheses that correctly complete each sentence. It's almost the same than the other sentence. I took bus to the train station. A bus to the train station. These new trains. Trains is in plural. So you have to pick these for plural. I rushed to an window seat. Window. A window seat. I sat in the first car of the train. So it's close and it's specific. These cars behind me were more crowded. Behind me, that means close to the speaker. My seat has a better view than that seat over there, far away. Okay, let's continue with our workbook plus. This is on page 73. Rewrite each sentence using the correct word in parentheses, the same as in the class. And long time ago, there were no daily weather report. A. In those days, people could not predict weather as we can today, far away. In those days. At age was not as scientific as that one. That age was not as this one. At this time, people depend more on natural science. At that time, far away. Roosting birds were an indicator of rain, an indication of rain. A red sky at night means that the next day will be fair. The next day, because it's specific day. We know which day we're talking about. Red lightning means that an storm was approaching. Okay, pay attention. In these days, weather prediction was less exact than now. However, forecasters still use those signs of long ago. An accurate forecast is the product of many different methods. I want you to complete the page and send me the picture. Okay, let's go to page 74. Discover tomorrow's weather forecast. Color the space containing nouns that can be used with the article or demonstrative adjectives at the beginning of each row. You will use a highlighter because I need to see the word that you select. Okay? Can you say the day? Yes. Can you see the map? Yes. So you will color day and map. Can you say or write the seas? Yes. So you will color each word that can be used with these adjectives, with these demonstratives. Remember, we use an with words that begin with a vowel. And in. We do not say and sky. We do not say and wind. You may say an eagle. So you have to pay close attention to each word. And you have a city. You do not say an icicle. You do not say a eel. Now, this is for singular, this time, this night. Incorrect, these cities. No. This is for plural, these clouds. Incorrect, this wind. That ocean. Correct. Because that is used with singular. Those days. Those is used with plural. Those days. Those clouds. Okay? So pay close attention and use a highlighter. I need to see the words you picked. Okay? Do not use pen or colors. You need to be seen the words. Okay? Now let's go to the below activity on page 74. Now write 5 sentences about the weather. Okay? Create a scene with extreme weather condition. It can be extremely harsh or very beautiful. In each sentence, use a different article or demonstrative. Okay? And the words or nouns you color. If you pick the word day, the day is windy. Or if you use those clouds look dark. Okay? Let's go to our practice 325. Write the correct article or demonstrative adjective in parentheses to complete each sentence. Remember, those is for plural and that is for singular. Fossils are the oldest in the museum. The word fossils is a plural noun. So that means we would use those fossils are the oldest in the museum. You need to read the noun that will be used with the article or demonstrative in order to select the correct one. George visited blank National History Museum. Now, if we say National History Museum, is specific. So which is the article we use for specific? The. These that fossils need to be clean. Remember, look if it's singular or plural. I wrote a book about an great fossil discovery. The same. You need to see when is used a and an. A for words that begin with a consonant and an with words that begin with a vowel. Scientists believe that climate changes was one reason. This Mammoths disappear. Pay attention to the noun that is used with the demonstrative. Rewrite the sentence using adjectives to combine them. After discovering the dinosaur fossils, the boy appeared on the evening news. The boy was from Canada. Now, Canada is Canadian. So, after discovering the fossil, the Canadian boy appeared on the evening news. Remember that we have two sentences. We have to collect from the second sentence the word that describes. So, Canada turns into Canadian to write the adjective form of the noun, and this is from origin. The boy said the fossil looked like a rock. It was rough and jagged. It is the pronoun that takes the place of a noun. The antecedent is rock, so the word being described is rock. The boy said the fossil looked like a rough and jagged rock. They found the fossil buried in the ground. The ground was frozen. Now we know that the word that is repeated is ground. So we know that the linking verb is was. So the word in front of the linking verb frozen is the adjective that describes ground. So I want you to make up the last sentence. Very good. And remember, teachers can open the door, but you must enter it yourself. This is a Chinese proverb. I love you guys. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.